Hello there, it's Marcus from Healthnews. Now, have you ever wished you could just turn off your stress like a light switch? We might have found something that can help you with just that. It's called Sensate, a device that's all about tuning the body's relaxation responses, specifically targeting the vagus nerve. Join me to see if Sensate is the key to unlocking a calmer you. Before we start, don't miss out on our holiday special for Sensate. Find tranquility under the tree this season. Check the link in the description for an exclusive, festive deal. Let's dive into what Sensate is all about. This isn't just any gadget. It's a vagus nerve toning device that's designed to tap into our body's innate ability to relax. With its pebble-like design, Sensate uses infrasound waves to tone the vagus nerve, the main communicator between internal body organs that regulates our stress and relaxation states. It's fascinating how Sensate combines these infrasound waves with soundscapes via an app to potentially soothe anxiety and improve our well-being. Let's see what the Sensate has in store for us. Right away, the Sensate Pebble catches my eye. It's got a sleek, stone-like design that feels smooth to the touch. Here's the power cord, essential for keeping the device charged and ready, of course. Quick start instructions seem straightforward enough to get us going right from the get-go. I'm also finding an eye mask. It's a carrying pouch, which is a nice touch for when I'm on the move. Oh, and the lanyard. I guess for those moments when I want the Sensate by my side, even when I'm out and about. Yeah, neat. Now, feeling the weight and build of the Sensate, it gives off an impression of durability. It's clearly well crafted, and I'm curious to see how this piece of technology will stand up to everyday use. Let's get this Sensate device up and running. I'm pressing the power button here, and there's a soothing blue glow. Now, pairing with the app is a breeze. Bluetooth connects smoothly. And now, I'm greeted by a selection of soundscapes within the app. There are 4 ambient types: nature, space and time, sacred spaces, and breathe. Each offers different themes, and I can choose the duration too. Either a quick 10-minute session or a more immersive 30-minute experience. Now here's something interesting. I can adjust both the volume and vibration intensity. There's this pulsating graphic, which is a neat visual cue for syncing my breathing. The tutorial and startup guide within the app are impressively user-friendly. So slipping on the headphones, I'm ready to dive in. Now as I start a soundscape, the Sensate begins to hum. It's a unique sensation, less of a buzz and more of a deep, resonant vibration. The manufacturer makes it clear, Sensate isn't your typical non-invasive vagus nerve stimulating device. It's more about toning the vagus nerve through infrasonic vibrations while supporting relaxation with beautiful ambient sounds. Even after just a few minutes, there's a noticeable shift in my state of mind. I feel calmer, more centered. It's hard to describe, but there's a definite change in how I perceive my stress levels. To help you better understand how it works, Sensate is sending gentle vibrations through your chest cavity, turning it into a resonating chamber. These vibrations influence your vagus nerve, helping you relax. It feels pretty much like holding a cat on your chest. It's clear that a lot of thought has gone into the design and function of this device. As for the immediate effects, it's a subtle but tangible sense of ease. I'm genuinely intrigued to see what regular use could do. But remember, everyone's experience is unique, and what I'm feeling might differ for you. Having spent some time with Sensate, I've noticed both its pros and cons. Pros first. Over the weeks, I've noticed a marked improvement in my ability to relax. After a session, there's this lingering sense of calmness and a quieting of the mental chatter It's as if Sensate provides a shortcut to a meditative state. Another plus is the ease of use. Just put it on, press play, and relax. It sounds pretty appealing in today's world of overly complex gadgets. And the physical design is discreet and portable, which means stress relief doesn't have to wait until you're home. But it's not all perfect. For those of us that are tech geeks, one significant con is the absence of actual measured numbers within the app. There's no way to track progress or see how your body is responding in real time, which is a missed opportunity for those of us who love data. Additionally, the app feels underdeveloped. The low feature count means you're getting a streamlined experience, sure, but it also means there's a lack of customization and depth that some other wellness apps offer. And there's the vibration. It can be jarring at first. Initially, it can feel too forceful, almost invasive. It can take time to adjust the intensity to a level that isn't just tolerable, but actually enjoyable. So my final thoughts? Sensate has the potential to be a powerful tool in managing stress and anxiety. The concept of vagus nerve toning through this device is innovative, yet it's clear that some refinements could enhance the user experience, like more interactive app features and a way to measure the physiological effects. Moreover, simple alternatives like humming or gargling may achieve a similar effect. In the end, the true value of Sensate comes from its use over time. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a tool, one that requires patience and openness to the experience. The initial discomfort with the vibration lessens with use, and while the app could do with more features, its simplicity also means you spend less time fiddling with settings and more time focusing on relaxation. If you're intrigued by the Sensate experience and its approach to vagus nerve toning, there's a special deal waiting for you. Just click the link in the description below to discover an exclusive offer on the device. And that wraps up our exploration of the Sensate Vagus Nerve Toning device. If you've enjoyed this review and are curious about more innovative health and wellness technologies, subscribe to Healthnews channel. Until next time, folks.